The next tool we're going to be talking about is called a drywall saw. Drywall saw comes in two styles, wooden handle and a rubber handle. Those are basically just for design, for comfort for the saw. The saw itself is an instrument that comes within about 10 to 12 inches long, depending on the two styles. The wooden handle is just usually a little bit longer. These saw here, we use this here to cut holes in sheetrock. We use them for the lights, for the switches, the outlet areas, windows, even if we have to just cut a piece and score one side. There's many different uses to it. Best way to hold the saw is by its handle and point it in a direction away from you or away from anybody else. And always remember that when you're using the saw and you're cutting through a piece of sheetrock, that the saw does come out on the other side, not to keep it too close to something that you are working on, because you will damage the item as you're pushing the saw through. Best way to hold the saw is with your thumb here on the back, insert it in, and then just use it as a saw. And these are the saws here that we're using to go with our tool pouch.